It's hard capturing what sailing looks like when it's rough, especially in the dark. Our 21-hour sail back to Spain was carnage, and I spent the last 5 hours down below, willing myself not to get seasick. Once we arrived and dropped the anchor, we needed something warm, savoury and comforting to reinvigorate our bodies before the cleanup could begin. This is where Congee always delivers. Today we're making the chicken version. If you want the vegan version, you can comment below. We're going to start by measuring 1 cup of rice. I don't know why I used a bowl here, but just take my word that that's 1 cup. We'll be using chicken, spring onions, and ginger. I'll put a full list of seasonings and a recipe in the description below. Wash the rice and add it to our boiling water. Give it a stir and then pop the lid on, watching it closely so it doesn't boil over. And then we'll peel about a thumb size of ginger. I like to save the skin to make tea. And take the ginger, cut it into fine strips. Do the same for the green onions, and then set everything aside. I have this habit of choosing bowls that are always too small for what they're supposed to hold. It happens with pots as well. If I can make congee without it spilling over, it'll be the day I'm a real adult. Next, I'm adding in some leftover rice. Let them get to know each other. And then we'll prepare the chicken. I'm making a simple marinade here with cornstarch, oyster sauce and a bit of mirin, giving it a mix and then putting in a little bit of sesame oil. After 10 minutes the congee starts to thicken up like this, and I learned this whisking technique from cooking with flour. It helps to break down the rice grains. Then I'll add in chicken stock, the ginger and the chicken. Got hit by a wave here, so things got a little bit exciting. Give it a mix again so that the chicken doesn't stick together, and after 5 minutes the chicken should be cooked. Lastly, I'll turn off the heat and pop the green onions in. I leave them to steep to preserve their grassy flavour. Serve your congee with more sesame oil, white pepper, and I'd recommend having a nap after this to complete the trifecta of rest. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!